Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by securing your data. Make a backup to an external drive or cloud so you can restore anything lost. Once done, verify Windows. Old exists and that the built-in rollback window, about 10 days, has not elapsed because that determines availability. Now open Settings, navigate to System then Recovery, and select Go Back if visible. Click Start to initiate. You do this first because it preserves apps and settings, and because it's the simplest supported path back to your prior Windows. If Go Back is not available, you need a repair plan. Check for a system restore point or a full system image to revert to. Once you locate a restore point, run System Restore from Control Panel or Advanced Startup, because those can return system files without deleting your data. If there's no restore, create a Windows installation USB using Microsoft's Media Creation tool so you can perform a clean install or use recovery tools. Make sure to note product key and accounts before proceeding. Finish by running the chosen restore or clean install and follow on-screen prompts. Choose custom install only if you accept wiping the drive. After Windows is back, install drivers, run Windows Update, and reinstall essential apps. This restores functionality and security. If something fails, check Setup and Restore logs in Event Viewer and use Device Manager for driver errors. Activation issues may need your Microsoft account or product key. If you hit persistent errors, pause and seek targeted recovery steps before repeating risky operations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.